One question. If you pass this question,
Okay.
then I will just turn around and I'll hope to see you again on a traffic stop. But under what condition is a person required to identify themselves in the state of Texas?
They're detained.
Oh, you failed so hard. They have to be lawfully arrested at 3802. Now I'm definitely gonna have something to talk with your sergeant about. If you really believe that. 3802, Jimenez. Have you been bullying people out of their ID when they're just detained?
No.
They have to be lawfully arrested. It's a secondary charge.
People usually come and talk to me.
Like me.
Yeah.
But your partner ran away. Why is
No, he
that?
didn't run away.
Yeah, he did.
He had other things to do.
He had other things to do, like back up the getaway. 2 cars parked, one in the opposite direction. Oh, you just got shotted on. Did you see that?
Yeah, I just saw that.
You just got shotted on. You know what, Jimenez? Karma, 3802. Okay, that happened because you didn't know 3802. I'll tell you that right now.
I don't think so.